What's up guys, this is Shan Heather, and in this video we are going to do a benchmarking test comparison between Xiaomi Redmi Note 11 and Xiaomi Redmi Note 11 Pro 5G smartphones to see that which device is going to be better in terms of performance and daily usage. So here we go. So Xiaomi Redmi Note 11 comes with 4GB RAM, Qualcomm Snapdragon 680 processor, 128GB storage, and it is running on Android 11 with MIUI 13, while Redmi Note 11 Pro 5G comes with 8GB RAM, Snapdragon 695, and it also got 128GB storage, Android 11 and MIUI 13. We have already performed all of the benchmarking tests and we will just have a quick look on the test score result. So first of all, let's start with Antutu benchmarking. So Redmi Note 11 scored 243,872 and Redmi Note 11 Pro 5G scored 400,137. And as you can see, instead of Redmi Note 11 Pro 5G, the device name is being shown as Redmi Note 11T Pro, even though the default name of the device in the device setting is Redmi Note 11 Pro 5G. So talking about the test score result, as you can see, the winner is Redmi Note 11 Pro 5G. If we go to the individual test score result, here you can compare the test score result of CPU, GPU, memory and UX, and in all of these four, performance of Redmi Note 11 Pro 5G is better. Especially if you have a look at the GPU section, you can see that the test was performed on Antutu 3D Lite version instead of the regular version of Antutu 3D because the GPU of Xiaomi Redmi Note 11 is not strong enough for the regular GPU test of Antutu. So let's go back from here and now let's have a look on the next test, and that's 3D Mark. And this is a gaming benchmarking test and it gives the idea about the GPU capability of the device. And as you can see that this time the name of the device is coming correctly. So if we go to the results section, here you can have a look on the tests that we have performed on these two smartphones. So for wildlife, Xiaomi Redmi Note 11 scored 447 and Redmi Note 11 Pro 5G scored 1210. So the difference is nearly 3 times, and the winner is Xiaomi Redmi Note 11 Pro 5G. As I said, when it comes to GPU, Redmi Note 11 Pro 5G is way better, and once again the GPU of Redmi Note 11 was not capable of running the wildlife extreme test. So here we can do the comparison only for one test, and that's wildlife, and in that once again the winner is Redmi Note 11 Pro 5G. It scored nearly 3 times more points in 3D Mark wildlife test. So let's go back from here and now it's time for the last test, and that's Geekbench 5. So in Geekbench 5, Xiaomi Redmi Note 11 scored 355 in single core and 1609 in multi-core, while Redmi Note 11 Pro 5G scored 683 in single core and 2022 in multi-core. So in single core, once again Redmi Note 11 Pro 5G is scoring nearly twice of Redmi Note 11, and in multi-core Redmi Note 11 Pro 5G scored nearly 25% more point compared to Redmi Note 11. So as the name of the devices suggest, as well as the hardware specs, the performance of Redmi Note 11 Pro 5G is going to be better compared to Redmi Note 11 because it comes with better CPU, better GPU, more RAM. That's going to bring better performance to the device compared to the Redmi Note 11 we got here. So that's all for now friends. Thanks for watching this video. If you found it useful, then give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, subscribe the channel, and do not forget to press the bell icon to get the notification for future uploads. And I will see you guys next time in another video. Have a nice day.